When it comes to making money, there are three different pathways everyone is following. It's either you're following the slow lane, the fast lane, or the side work. Which would you like to follow? I know everyone is going to say, oh, I prefer the fast lane, but it's not just a desire, it's more about a positioning. And that's what today's episode of Millionaire is about, positioning you for the millionaire fast lane. Hi there, my name is Franklin Baiwoga, and this is Millionaire. I'm here to lift you from little or no money to more money. Stay glued. Now, this is the idea. There are 5 things that must be in place for we to say that you're in the fast lane to making money. More like the kind of vehicle that you're using to create wealth. There are different kinds of persons when it comes to moving from Uyo, for example, to Lagos. It's either you're using a tricycle, or you're using a bicycle, or you're using a bus, or you're using an aeroplane. How fast you're going to go is a function of the vehicle. So what qualifies a fast vehicle? 5 things. Number 1, need. Number 2, entry. Number 3, control. Number 4, scale. And of course, number 5, time. So let's explain. Need simply states that you can't claim to be making lots of money real fast if you're offering a product that the need is not clear. In other words, you find the need first before you create a product. You don't create a product and find the market. You find the market and then create the product that fits the market. More like, I read a book sometime and the author asked, what's the first thing you should do when you're looking forward to start a restaurant? Should you look for the best of recipe, or should you look for a hungry market? Or you already know the answer. It should be a hungry market. So does your product or service have a clear need? If it does, then you're on the fast lane. The second one is entry. Entry simply means, can someone just wake up today and decide to join your business and can join it? If that's the case, you're not on the fast lane because it's crowded. People that are on the fast lane are up the pyramid and there's no crowd. The next one is control. Control simply means, can you control how much you make per time? Or is it an external force or an external factor that controls how much you make? If it's external, you're not on the fast lane. If it's within your power to control, you're on the fast lane. The fourth one is scale. If your business cannot scale, you're not on the fast lane. Scaling simply means putting systems and structures in place that allow you to grow from one point to another in your business. Scale. And then finally, time. Time simply refers to how long does it take for this growth to happen. If it takes a longer time, you're not on the fast lane. There are some businesses that takes a long time to scale, and there's some that takes a shorter time to scale. So if you pass the test of need, the test of entry, the test of scale, control, and time, then we can say you're on the fast lane. This is a topic you should pay close attention to. If you've got questions, do ask in the comment section and we can discuss further. My name is Franklin Baiwoga. It was exciting coming to you in this episode. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.